Damn. That was mean. No wonder you turned out to be a greedy, heartless bitch.
What? What do you mean greedy and heartless?
Aren't you supposed to be a stingy, rich asshole?
No, I'm broke as shit.
Wait, for real? I'm usually assigned to the rich and people in power to do this sort of thing with.
That's what I was thinking. Why am I even doing this? I barely got money to buy gifts, let alone giving money away to the poor at the end of this.
Well, this changes things. Oh, wait. You know what? I do remember. So you were the guy I was assigned to help with appreciating your life and the people around you. Aki, look at what you had here. A family. Your brother. You can have these things again. Have to let that out once in a while.
And what do you mean, having these things again? I know you don't mean those idiots back at Anime High.
Well, you weren't the only one with a tragic past.
Where are we? I don't remember this place.
Yeah, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna be visiting someone else's past.
That's what I found out recently. It's considered normal to eat your bread with jam on it. Too bad normal's a pipe dream for folks down on their luck like us, huh? Bet that I'll bite the big one before I ever pay off this debt. Probably won't kick it with a girl before I kick the bucket either. My rinky-dink shack doesn't exactly scream romance. I mean, no dough to go on dates. If dreams do come true, then before I croak, I want to be with a girl.
That cowardly bastard strung himself up before paying this month's installment. Look, kid, I don't care if you beg or whore yourself out. I want 700,000 yen by tomorrow. Otherwise, we chop you up and sell the bits. Got it?
Chainsaw?
As you can see, Aki, your friend here isn't what he makes himself out to be. He has a tragic past too. He never had anyone in his life to look out for him. He came to your school to find a friend.
No. He said he came to this school to touch someone's breast with his freaky ass.
Nah, I wanted to go to school to have a better chance at touching boobs.
Well, yeah, that too. But you see, Aki, what he's really looking for is companionship. This is a kid that grew up with a twisted worldview on life. He didn't have the luxury of a stable, loving household to see what life may truly have in store for him. And even though he talks all this crap about wanting a girl and touching boobs, I think what he's really in need of is a family. All he ever got to know was survival and betrayal.
Hey, Aki, we're friends, right?
So what? You're telling me this idiot is supposed to be my new family? Am I supposed to pamper him? Make him meals and teach him about the birds and the bees too?
Damn, so you might actually be a heartless bitch after all. Nothing I showed you here today affected you in any way.
I'm not heartless, just logical. He's just some guy from my school. He ain't my responsibility. Whatever he chooses to do with his life is on him, with his devil-loving ass.
Well, damn. Well, I did my part. Alright, come on, let's do this.
Do what?
Usually I end up rage baiting the guy into putting this cone thing over my head, taking him back home.
Nah, just take me back home the other way, with us flying through time or whatever.
Alright? I like traveling like this. The breeze feels nice. This was nice, even though I really didn't get through to you. But that's part of my job, I guess. You still got 2 more ghosts to see. It was nice meeting you, Aki. You're a good kid. I know you come across as cold, but I see you've got a good heart. Don't harden that heart of yours, Aki. It's gonna be alright.
Hello, ghost.
Ice cream?
No thanks. So, I'm guessing you're the ghost of Christmas present.
Yep. Usually I'm the ghost of Christmas future, but some other guy wanted to do it this time. So you're stuck with me for the time being. Let's go.